Stop scrolling. If you're using Stremio and you don't have these 5 add-ons yet, you're missing out. Big time. What's up, guys? Today I'm showing you the top 5 Stremio add-ons that will completely level up your streaming experience. First up, Cinemeta. This is basically the backbone of Stremio. It pulls in all your movie and TV show metadata, including posters, descriptions, ratings, and more. Without it, Stremio honestly feels incomplete. Number 2, WatchHub. This one is a game changer if you're subscribed to multiple streaming platforms. It shows you exactly where a movie or TV show is available to stream, whether it's Netflix, Prime Video, or another service, so you don't waste time searching. Third, Open Subtitles V3. If you watch foreign films or simply prefer subtitles, this add-on automatically finds subtitles in a wide range of languages. Fourth, Local Files. Already have movies or TV shows saved on your device? This add-on lets Stremio play your local files directly, keeping everything organized in one clean interface. And last but not least, Public Domain Movies. Enjoy free, legal classic films with no subscriptions, no cost, and no hassle. That's it. That's the list. Drop a comment if you already use one of these add-ons, and don't forget to subscribe for more Stremio tips.